Hello, my name is Nikhil Kumar. I'm from Uttar Pradesh. I've done BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Hindustan College of Science and Technology. And as a part of interest, I thought pursuing my career in IT field. Then I searching a platform which can help me to guide my career in IT field. Then I got to know about the Evision, that Evision is the best platform which can help me to skill myself and also give me the placement support. After that, I joined Evision where I learned about the networking, virtualization, Windows Server, Windows Administrator, CCNA, ITIL, and cybersecurity. After learning these topics, they conducted a number of mock interviews so I can crack the interviews as soon as possible. After that, I got selected in two companies. First one is the Inotech and the second one is the DCM Infotech. So I want to thank each member of the Evision and the tutor who helps me to learn about the a number of topics. And I also want to recommend the each person who want to start their life in IT field that eVision is the best platform where you can learn from the industry expert and their team helps you and guide you to start a career in IT field. Thank you.